Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is India's National Sports Policy 2025. Let's see why this is in news. The Union Cabinet approved the National Sports Policy 2025. This policy marks a significant step towards transforming the nation's sports framework and empowering citizens through sports. It replaces the 2001 National Sports Policy, aiming to position India as a global sports leader and excel in events like the 2036 Olympics. Now let's discuss about National Sports Policy 2025. It's the result of thorough discussions with central ministries, Niti Aayog, state governments, national sports federations, NSFs, athletes, experts, and the public. It is a major initiative to transform India's sports sector and empower citizens. It aims to make India a global sports leader and improve performance in international events, including hosting the 2036 Olympic Games. Welcome SSC aspirants. Drishti SSC is here to support you every step of the way, with free live classes, previous year questions, PYQs, demo classes, exam notifications, and strategy videos. Whether you're starting your journey or looking to refine your preparation, we've got you covered. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated with all the resources you need to crack your SSC exams. For more details, call us at 8750187501. Here are the 5 key pillars of NSP 2025. 1. Global excellence. 2. Sports for economic growth. 3. Sports for social progress. 4. Sports as a mass movement. 5. Integration with education. New Education Policy 2020. Now let's discuss about National Sports Policy of 2001. It focuses on expanding sports participation and achieving excellence at national and international levels. The central and state governments, Indian Olympic Association, IOA, and National Sports Federations, NSFS, will promote sports where India excels and integrate sports into the education system. Now is the time for practice question. Which of the following is not a key pillar of the National Sports Policy 2025? A. Global excellence. B. Sports for economic growth. C. Sports for environmental sustainability. D. Integration with education. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.